let's unbox this another Amazon find. So I ordered this electric mixer. So ये beat coffee करने के बहुत काम आती है, and apart from that you can make milkshakes. What they claim, you can use in fruit juices, milkshakes, etc. The price is around just 200 rupees, and you need to add the batteries here. So let's do it. So एक press पे it will start, and single press it will be off. Let's try to beat the coffee now. Add coffee here, approximately 2 teaspoons, a teaspoon of condensed milk, a pinch of salt, a tablespoon of water, and let's beat it now. Wow, it's working. So बहुत अच्छा work कर रहा है guys. I mean froth बननी start हो गई है. So आपने बहुत ज़्यादा नीचे को पुश नहीं करना, बस थोड़ा सा ना हवा में रखना है, जैसे टच नहीं होना चाहिए ग्लास. So it's almost done. Now some ice cubes, chilled milk, and a chocolate to garnish, and your amazing coffee is ready. So काफ़ी अच्छी कॉफ़ी बनी है, and a big thumbs up for this product.